Hey guys, I'm HD Signature. So I get a lot of complaints from people about their makeup not lasting long. That whenever they apply their makeup, after some time it gets washed out, most especially when they sweat and it's cakey, it doesn't last long. So if you fall in this category, so these are the products you need basically. So first off guys, before you go into using this product, you want to make sure you do a good skincare routine. Follow through with a good skincare routine. Check what your skin type is. Then you'll be able to know what type of skincare you should get. So after that, you want to use a grip primer that gives tacky finishing. Gripping primer, when it's getting dried down, it's going to be tacky. That way, when you apply your foundation, it sticks onto it. These two products, you can never go wrong with these two products when you use them correctly. This one serves really well, works amazingly well with foundation. Like when you mix this product with foundation, guys, you can never go wrong with it. This serves as glue for your foundation on your skin. If you mix this with your foundation, what it does is it makes your foundation stay in place. It locks it, just like when you have oil. When you add oil to water, it never mix. This will never allow your foundation mix. And come rain, come sweat, come whatever, your foundation will remain the same. Even when you sweat, it's just going to glide on, like run through your skin without mixing with your makeup. And when you are going to wash out, please make sure you do your skincare thoroughly when taking this out, because this can be very difficult when you mix it with anything. Basically, it doesn't come off easily. This is amazing, guys. This keeps and locks your makeup. When you apply this, you can actually use this as a primer for an oily skin person. But I would quickly like to put this out there, guys. This is not meant to, stop your sweat from coming out. I will not even advise you to use a product that blocks your pores. Allow your sweat to come out. The excess of your sweat coming out is when your system is overheating, and your sweat is the means of cooling down your body. So what you should look out for is not a product that will stop you from sweating, rather a product that will, whenever you sweat, it has nothing to do with your makeup. So this is where this product comes in. So this basically works perfectly well for someone with oily skin. If you have a dry skin, I won't advise you use this. Immediately you apply, you feel that sensation on your skin, like you feel like something is dragging your skin, not in a bad way, but you just feel like it's working. So if you have a dry skin, please stay away from this one. And in the absence of mattifying primer, this is your go-to. Take a cotton pad or a cotton wool, just add a bit of it to it, and just target where you sweat and where you secrete oil. Basically, just dab it there a little bit. Use this after your skincare, everything you've applied. You use this before your foundation, just to seal everything in. So this is amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Bye.